Hey guys, it's Dash Armstrong, and of course my house is in full chaos because it is Christmas next week. Badly wrapped presents by me, of course, because I'm not a trained rapper, but we're gonna finish wrapping this gift and then we're gonna start with the DIY that I'm working on. So the DIY thing that I'm working on today is making a wreath out of old Christmas cards. So we're gonna do that today. Bada bing, bada boom. My color today, in all my videos, I'm posting 3 videos this week. So on all my videos, my theme color is green, of course. I was talking about it earlier. Let me just get right back with you. I gotta get my, let's bring the camera down a little bit. So my dad has these, I'm working on my little small craft table today. So I was like, let's bring it down a little bit. But my stitching cord with my glue stick plugged up over there. But my dad has these old Christmas cards. They're like black Christmas cards. So it has like black Santa, of course a brown reindeer, and just some church choir type thing. So I hope I have enough room. So let's bring the camera down. Okay. So I have little knickknacks from my old Christmas tree. These red little flowers, some bows, some ribbon. And what we're gonna do is, let's see if I can bring it down a little bit more for you guys. Okay. So what we're gonna do is start placing the cards in like a circle. I don't even know if this table big enough, but we're gonna see. And they should kind of be like close together in a way. Not super close together, but is that a circle? Is that a circle, you know? Okay, so once you get that, then you have the basis. So once I come back, we're gonna glue it, and then you're gonna see what it looks like, how it is when it's glued in a circle. I feel like my camera is like crooked. I was like trying to fix my camera, but okay. So this is what it looks like currently, and I put a big circle there because I don't know if I'm gonna keep the circle or not. You know, I'm trying to figure out. So now, what I'm doing is, I have flowers. It has this thing on there. I think I can just either cut it, because it was like for my tree, so, you know, I'll just cut it. And then, you're just finding places like where to put it, like, you're just hooking up your wreath, you know? So, I don't know which part I'm gonna have as my top or what. So I guess we gotta figure that out. Let's see. And I also put, I've seen that you guys probably seen it, but I also put just like wrapping paper underneath just to make it a little bit more structured, just to make it a little bit more harder, the bows. This didn't cost me anything because like I said, everything is from last year, so this is all older stuff. So what you want to kind of do is just Put some on the side, put some in the middle, you know. I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done. And since this is just like a hoop launch of everything, I'm not really making like a little, well, it does have a little color to it. I mean, like a type of theme. Because last year my theme was plaid, so this is like all plaid stuff. And what I'm doing is, they had these little zip tie things, not zip ties, but the little tie things on there from when I did it last year, and put them on a tree. And you always need a glue gun handy, like always. So this is currently what it looks like. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And that's all with my handy dandy glue gun. So what I want to do now is try to get this flower in there. And since I told you guys earlier, my theme that I did this year was green. This is just something I can just like, you know, put in my kitchen or something like that. My bathroom door. Because every part of your house can have its own, you know, theme, you know. It doesn't have to be, so this is how it's starting to look. And that's all on the top, so. You know, I'm just painting the leaves on the top and wherever it fits. I don't want to cover the cards too much. This is the glue gun that I have. It's like heavy duty glue gun. I'm glued up because I used to use the kitty ones, those little baby ones, but I'm an extreme crafter now, so I need the big ones. And I've seen people do like different things. Like I've seen somebody use a little greenery in theirs. But this would be perfect if you're having like a old you know, Christmas type theme. Like if you're doing something like that, this would be perfect because honestly, this is what they used to do. And they used to take like Christmas cards that they received. So you know, every year some people receive like Christmas cards. Since they didn't want to throw them away, that's what they used to do, was make like little wreaths. And I still have ribbon. I might use my ribbon to hang it. Let's see. And what I'm doing is just gluing my poinsettias, my glitter poinsettias on there. So again, this is the top. Don't it look so cute already? I'm trying to see, I love this like Merry Christmas in there. I'm trying to see if I should keep that. I'm trying to see. Because I love it. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is finish this up, and I'm thinking about cutting a circle or something like that, and then you guys will see the last results of it hanging up. But thank you guys for checking out my YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, and happy holidays. Bye guys, this is Dash. Hey guys, so I finished my wreath. I'm just gonna hold it up for you guys to see. I'm happy how it turned out. I'm gonna take a closer picture for you guys to see, but like I said it before, enjoy your holidays. Bye, guys.